Hello class 9 children. As you all know, we are doing data entry and keyboarding skills. That is unit 2 of your part B. Now yesterday I taught you about successful keyboarding tips, that what all points you should keep in mind while typing so that your typing is perfect. Now today I'll be starting with the software that is in your course to learn the typing, that is your Rapid Typing Tutor, RTT. Now first of all, what is meant by touch typing? Touch typing is a practice that enables you to type without even looking at the keyboard. So you are able to type in a very easy and accurate manner without looking at the keyboard. That practice is known as touch typing. So for that you need to learn the keyboard. That is, we are saying that do not look, but with the help of your finger touch, you are able to make out what key are you pressing, as your fingers are assigned to specific keys. So this is your touch typing. Now Rapid Typing Tutor, it is a free and open source software which is designed to learn the touch typing skills on the computer. It is free to use and share with others for free. So learning this software is fun, and the version that you have to download is Rapid Typing 5.2 version. So now the next is touch typing technique. Now touch typing improves your typing speed and accuracy. A touch typist will never look at the keyboard. The fingers will hit the right keys by the habit, because specific fingers are designed for specific keys, as we have studied earlier. Plus the protrusions on the keys, you can feel and make out which key are you pressing. The typist is entirely focused on the text being typed, because the fingers are typing the accurate text. So he is entirely focused on the text being typed. He is reading the words and phrases as the finger type the text effectively. Now touch typing can be learned by performing special exercises. Now there are 3 stages in touch typing: stage 1, 2 and 3. Now what is the stage 1 saying? Stage 1 involves learning the home row of the keyboard. Now what is a home row? The row that is beginning with a caps lock and continuing with FDSA semicolon JKL. So this is the home row of the keyboard, or we can say the base row of the keyboard. So first of all, you need to learn the home row of the keyboard. On this home row itself, you will find protrusions on the F and J keys that will help you identify that this is the home row. Looking at the keyboard is strictly forbidden. Then once you have learned the home row, it will be followed by learning the lower and the upper row, plus the number row, the uppercase letters and the symbols, special symbols. So the stage 1 is involving lot of learning the home row, followed by the upper and the lower row, then followed by special symbols, uppercase letters, number row. So all this will be included in your stage 1. Then stage 2. Stage 2 involves memorizing or learning frequently used syllables. Now what are syllables? Syllables are the words, the letters that we are typing on the computer, and some syllables we are typing again and again. So typing the words containing these syllables, so it will help you learn the keys. Because for example, there is a word computer, so each word is acting as a syllable, and when you are writing any article on computer, you will be using computer word again and again. So stage 2 is involving memorizing the frequently used syllables and then typing those words that contains those syllables. Then next, the stage 3, it involves actual typing. Once you have learned the keyboard, then the second stage, memorize the frequently used syllables. Now in stage 3, actual typing can be done. So children, today we have just started Rapid Typing Tutor version 5.2. You can download it in your computer. I'll be sharing with you the notes also of today's topic. So that is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.